Hi friends, Namaskar, good morning. Welcome to the next edition of Monday Mantra. In this video, I am going to share with you some ideas on how the best opportunities in life just wait for you. Friends, in our life sometimes we get certain things very easily, and sometimes however hard we try, we don't get what we want. Have you ever thought why this is so? One day, strangely, you felt a longing to eat peanuts. You got it from the nearby store. When you opened the packet and started eating, the best peanut was picked by your fingers and you enjoyed it. The very next day, when you went to the beach with some of your friends, somebody handed over to you a packet of peanuts. But this time, the first peanut was a rotten one, and immediately you spit it on the sands and you discarded the whole packet. How do you correlate these two events? I don't think there is any scientific explanation for this. But one thing is sure that in our life, everything happens for a reason to help you, to warn you, or to guide you in the process of evolution. Yes, in the first occasion, you got the best peanut because it was required for you. Maybe because your immune system needed some more protein, or maybe because your digestive system needed some correction, and nature provided to you the needs. And on the second occasion, you got a rotten one, perhaps because at that point of time, peanut was not that you needed, it was just superfluous. In your job, getting a promotion like in any other job is an important milestone, let us say. When the first promotion opportunity came to you, you were unwilling to take it due to some other commitments and preferences. Later on, there were many occasions you wanted the promotion, but the opportunity did not come at all. This happens in lives of many of us. How do we call this phenomenon? Is it nature's gamble? Is it a choice given by the cosmic forces that you did not make use of? Or simply, does God play a game of dice with you and you call the number sometimes right and sometimes wrong? We do not know. But the first opportunity that appears in front of us is always the best opportunity. To be successful in life, you have to just grab it. You go to the city's most famous textile shop with your wife to purchase a nice silk saree for her birthday. And you thought that it will take about 1 solid hour to complete the process. But to your great surprise, the one special saree with particular shade and design that your wife needed was just there in the shelf in the second row, waiting to be picked up. And your wife happily completed the task in just 10 minutes flat. Anything that we genuinely need arrives at the right time. It appears just in front of us. Only that we should be aware of its presence and accept it with grace and gratitude. I have experienced this bliss many times in my life by promptly responding to every first opportunity presented by nature. Yes, such opportunities came like a bunch of butterflies straying into my study room just to entertain me. This was how I got my first job. This was how I got married. This was how I wrote the initial chapters of my life. All appear to be very simple, isn't it? But it is not so. Such events don't happen just by chance. Behind each event, there is a bigger design, some intention and purpose with a deeper meaning. I will explain. Actually, there are two parallel energy systems working through every one of us. Number one, the mind energy, the thoughts we conceive in our mind, which are projections of our wants, wishes, dreams, and goals, some good, some bad, all trying to seek fulfillment. And number two, the universal energy operating through our subconscious mind that prompts our intuition to guide us in choosing the right things in our life. So these two energy systems together, they co-create the events and opportunities in our life. One very important thing we must see here, opportunity is not something what you get, as most people believe, but it is what you do with what you get. It is not a sanction, it is not a gift, but it is mostly an idea. Like the idea to join a business school, the idea to get married, the idea to make a lot of money. And you have to work on that idea to achieve what you want. This is how opportunity leads you to success. So, when our intentions are good, when there is a need in our life, and when we listen to our intuition to make the right choices and work on them, our every opportunity becomes a reality. Friends, just like a child collecting the pebbles and stones in the ocean floor, every opportunity and every experience you get in your life are also priceless and unique. So don't miss them. Make use of your best opportunities and lead a very happy life. All the best.